Good morning, friends. Welcome to AFCK's Technologies. My name is Hussain. I'm holding 12 years of industrial experience and I will be your trainer for practical application of Advanced Excel. This is the agenda for the day. Introduction, difference between basic Excel, Advanced Excel, and practical application of Advanced Excel. Course information, payment mode. Let's start off with introduction part. AFCKStechnologies.in is our website wherein you may see the list of courses that we are offering. We are into this industry from past 12 years. On homepage, when you scroll down, you may see few groups that we have created on Telegrams for query solving. I would strongly recommend you to please join this Telegram group and help people in solving their queries because this would help you in enhancing your skill set and brush up your skill set. We have another group on Telegram for job opportunities, wherein few job opportunities are posted regularly, and if you think that the job opportunities are suitable for you, then you may apply for it. Let's move on to the next topic, that is difference between basic Excel, advanced Excel, and practical application of advanced Excel. To explain you the differences, I would like to share you one practical example of my friend wherein he was struggling to find out the answer with the help of the basic Excel technique. This is the Excel file wherein you may see in A column part numbers are mentioned, in F column project code is given, and in G column project name is given. So our requirement is that with the help of the part number, we need to get in the project name. So how we can do this? In Excel, we have one of the most popular function, that is VLOOKUP. We would be writing VLOOKUP formula over here. That is the basic VLOOKUP formula is asking lookup value. My lookup value is my part number and this is my table array. We would log the cell over here. Answer is into second column and we want exact match. You may see we have gotten #NA error message. That means a basic Excel formula is not working. Now we need to think out of the box. Now we need to use some advanced technique in getting the answer. Before using the advanced technique, first analyze the data. While analyzing the data, we can see that the part number initial characters belongs to the project code and hyphen, that is dash, has been mentioned after the project code and it's been mentioned on the left hand side of the part number. So let's use some advanced technique. Since hyphen is the common character into the part number, we would be finding the position of that hyphen. In Excel, there is another popular function that is find, and over here, what needs to be find is dash. In which text we need to find is into part number. We'll close the bracket and press enter. You may see we have got the position of the hyphen into the part number. Now let's use this find function into left to get our desired, to get the project code. So after writing left formula over here, it's asking text. So this is our text and it's asking number of characters. So number of character is the find formula that we have used. Over here we have got the project code. Along with the project code, if you notice, there is an hyphen, that is dash. So we need to remove that dash because in table array, in project code, there is no dash. So for removing the dash, in find formula, we would simply write -1. And if you see in C column, we have got the project code, and in F column, there is a project code mentioned and both columns are getting matched. Now we will be using this formula. We will cut this formula left and find into, we will first of all cut the formula and we will write VLOOKUP and paste left and find formula in VLOOKUP in lookup value. Now it's asking table array. Now this is my table array. We'll log the cells. My answer is into second column, so we'll write 2 over there. We would require exact match. Close the bracket, enter. You may see we have got our answer. So this is how we have got the answer, by using some advanced technique into an Excel. And this is what we will be teaching you in our classes. As you must be noticing that we have used very basic Excel formulas, that is VLOOKUP, left and find. And almost everyone must be aware about this formula. However, you are aware about this formula. However, you are not aware when, how, and in which scenario you need to use this formula. And in our class, we will be teaching you this technique. When, how, and in which scenario we need to use these formulas to get a desired output. Apart from this, I would like to share you a real life example wherein you must be noticing that your managers are giving you a regular feedback that you are not visible to the crowd. And you might be thinking, what should I do to be invisible to the crowd? So over here, you have two options. One is you need to participate into an events which has been organized by your organization so that you would be visible towards the crowd. And the next one is your skill set. So there are many people who are of shy nature and they do not participate into the events that is being organized by your organization. So how they can make themselves visible towards the crowd? This is the question over here. In your team, you might be seeing that there might be a person who is holding a very strong Excel skill, and many people from different verticals are approaching that particular person for getting the desired output, for getting their queries resolved, for getting their concerns resolved. Why people are approaching that particular person? Because that particular person is holding a very strong Excel skills. And since Excel is a very basic tool that is being used across all the industry, whether it's doctor's clinic, construction field, domestic company, or multinational company, you need to be expert into an Excel. And once you are expert, once your skill set are set towards the Excel, people will start approaching you. This would make yourself visible. This would make yourself visible towards the crowd. People will start speaking about you. You would be get recognized towards the skill set that you are holding on. You would be getting rewards towards it, because end of the day, your resume speaks about yourself. Whenever you are applying for a job, you might be noticing that people are asking your resume. They are screening your resume. And after screening, they decide whether to schedule an interview with you or not. And the important thing into your resume is your skill set, your experience, and your achievement. You would be achieving something only when you have a very good skill set. And Excel is the first step for enhancing your skill set, because it's the basic tool that is being used across all the industry. Once your confidence level is boosted into Excel, once you are expert into Excel, obviously you might be thinking to enhance your skills towards different courses. And once you get a path, definitely you would be an outstanding performer. Hope friends you have understood how Excel is an powerful tool into an industry. So let's move on to the next topic, that is course information. So HPAE002 is a batch code. It would be an weekend batch and the duration of this course would be 4 months. Every Sunday 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. the batch would be scheduled. From next week, that is 4th of December, we will start a batch and the fees that we are offering is 8,000 rupees. And if you are willing to pay this fees instantly at the time of admission, the entire fee, if you are willing to pay, then we would be offering you 10% discount. We also have installment facility wherein you need to pay the first installment on or before 4th December to confirm your admission, and second installment has to be paid before 4th Jan 2023. These are the payment modes. I would request you to please note down the payment mode. We are accepting the fees via multiple payment modes, and today Google Pay and the Phone Pay is one of the most popular payment mode that is being used across the market. Apart from this, the important thing that I would be sharing is the gateway charges. If you're planning to pay the fees via this link, that is instamozo.com, then a gateway charges that is around 3% to 4% has to be paid by the student who is paying the fees, and this gateway charges is applicable on both debit and credit card if you choose to pay the fees via instamozo.com. Therefore, we would recommend you to pay the fees only via Google Pay or Phone Pay, or via UPI ID, or via IMPS, because no extra charges is been applicable on these three payment mode. Since Google Pay and Phone Pay is one of the most easiest payment method, so we would strongly recommend you to choose this option. Please note down a co-founder's number for paying the fees. And apart from this, if you are planning to reimburse your course fees from your company, then do let us know well in advance at the time of admission, because we would be charging you 18% GST apart from the course fees. That is 8,000 plus 18% GST. We will be charging you, and we would be providing you tax invoice so that you would be reimbursing that amount from your company. Once the payment is done, I would request you to please notify our co-founder Raza Sagar, or you may notify me on my mobile number. Please note down my mobile number. It's 9881 471407. Once the payment is done, please let us know so that we may complete the admission procedure and notify you. Hope friends you have understood the entire procedure, and I have done for the day. If still you have any concerns, queries, doubts, then you may please reach out a co-founder on the given mobile number, or you may reach out me on my mobile number, that is 9881 471407, or else you may contact Mr. Imran on the phone number, that is, if you go to Google, just type in AFCK's Technologies. Just a moment. On Google, just type in AFCKS Technologies. You would see the mobile number mentioned over here. You may call on this mobile number for any doubts, queries, and concerns. Hope friends, all your queries has been resolved, and thanks for joining this session. Have a nice day. Bye.